I don't really understand how this works, so we're now talking to people. Alright? This is really strange. Hope you're alright.
I'm alright.
Yeah? You alright?
Alright.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Okay.
This is like an awkward Christmas game or something. Kenzie Fitzpatrick asks, who or what's the prankster on the trips? What's the funniest thing that's happened on tour?
Funniest thing that's happened on tour. Oh man, I'm much bad with these simple questions like what's like rock and roll moment or these sort of things. Well, I guess we can all answer this together because we've all been there. So what was the funniest thing that happened?
I asked you first.
The funniest thing. I don't know. It hasn't been very funny.
We're
Yeah, really.
People have said funny things, maybe, yeah.
Masamba's quite funny. Masamba doing his dancing on stage is quite funny at the moment. He does this sort of gyrating groin crotch thing, which is fascinating.
So this
We're
is
not
very
big pranksters though, are we?
No. I don't know anyone well enough to pull pranks. I mean, I pull pranks from the guys in my band, but I wouldn't do it to
Go
you
on,
guys.
what's the best one you've done?
This is so silly, but like we were on a flight and like there was a packet of like jelly baby things and I put it in that bottle of water. But by the time that we got off the flight, it had grown into this like very strange maggot looking thing. And he drank it, it was like, oh, it's gross.
I once hit Ted in the face and it went really badly and he didn't forgive me for like 6 years.
That's gross.
So I don't really do that anymore.
That's gross.
Alright, that was an interesting question.
Yeah, okay, well I'll ask you one. Wait, actually I'll ask Baaba first so that we try and give it. Okay. From Maria Sotiriadis, I think. You all make a very different kind of music. Was it hard to find a sound that represents all of you uniquely? How did you balance that?
Oh, I don't think we had a bad time finding the right sound. It was just natural, and when we entered the studio in the Johannesburg, as none of us tried to do something that he was not doing before. We just
exactly.
came there, we had the feeling that we can put it together and something magical can happen.
Yeah. I think the point is probably not to try too hard to adapt the situation.
Actually, I hear that in your lyrics in Warner.
Yes.
Not to try too hard.
Yeah. I think that the point was for all of us to sort of do our own thing, the way that we do it together.
And then join those things up, yeah.
Let me ask something.
You to ask them.
Yeah.
From here?
This is like a shit version of beer pong, isn't it?
There should be like some low level like
Forfeits.
music playing in the background or something. Like,
Would you rather find 100 that size horses or one horse size duck?
What does it mean? Oh, wow.
okay, 100 duck-sized horses or one horse-sized duck.
Marcus.
Wow. Probably 100 duck-sized horses. Yeah, because geese could break your arm, can't they? And they're little. So if a duck was the size of a horse, you'd probably get knocked out. Would you rather have wheels on your feet or scissors for your hands? Matt?
I have wheels on my feet.
Would you rather pee out your nose or shit out your mouth? Come on, it's obvious.
Yeah.
You guys are the first. Right, I feel like I'm asking all my questions. The CP has such a fun, sunny feel, except for Sitiva. Do you feel like the sound of the CP is an equal mixture of all the bands involved, or does one band contribute more to the sound than the others?
Well, no, I guess it is a Mumford sounds, so that's the central.
I feel differently. I feel like it's not a Mumford Sons roots.
You don't feel like that?
No, I feel like it's a. 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 I feel like joint release between us, right? I mean, we all wrote.
Yeah, well, I mean,
we all wrote it.
I mean, that is the thing. I guess you have to choose something. I mean, your name's a bigger font.
Well, I mean, we helped organise it. We helped arrange it logistically,
Yeah.
but I don't think.
That's not the idea.
No, I don't think we did any more writing than anyone else.
Yeah.
I mean, if anything, Gerhard was the person who had the biggest sonic imprint on it, probably.
Yeah.
As a producer. Yeah.
Another question. Can we ask ourselves questions? I'm gonna ask you another one. From Julia Pastora. Probably not saying people's names right, but anyway, what would you say is the message behind There Will Be Time? What were you thinking / feeling during its conception? What do you hope people feel / think when they hear it?
Yeah, it will be time for anything in life. Life is a journey, and if you give a chance to that journey, there will be time to meet the people you want to meet, or you have to meet, to do things you want to do it with them in the life. And I think this is a song that can fit to any situation, situation, because life is about time. Sometimes in any time of your life, something important happens, or something just touch you, and then it have to be at that time.
Sure.
You have to give life that time. It happened for me.
This is why I love you, Baaba. You've got all the wisdom. Bubba's a lot older than we are, even though he looks much younger than we are.
Yeah.
He's got all the wisdom. That's why I love you. That's great. Right. Dear Beatenburg, any Europe tour dates coming up? Sarah Ulrich.
Sorry, Sarah Ulrich, not yet.
Why not?
We're working on it.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah, we gotta finish the new album first, and then we get it.
How's that going?
It's going well. I've got a lot of songs, but it's just a case of like all the right things coming together at the same time. It's time, I think. Double time.
There will be time.
Yeah, no, we're working on it. We that's the priority for us at the moment. Yeah. But hopefully Europe.
Sorry.
Hopefully we'll have a lot of dates next week. Yeah.
Have you played in the States before?
We played at CMJ last year. But yeah, not ready. We haven't played officially.
Are you still touring for the rest of the year? You are, aren't you?
Yeah. Till the end of the year, and we were screening this year on my album Travel. I will be traveling. That album. Then we think something.
Come on, Baaba.
Sally, Naila, Marcus, what do you guys do? You're the flags you collect. The flags you collect.
What do we do with all the flags we collect? That's a good question. We started doing this thing called Get Your Flags Out for the Lads, which we asked people, because when we're doing lots of different countries in a really short amount of time, we asked people to bring flags, because I wanted to collect flags from every country. So I've got a little drawer that we carry around with us, which has all the flags I've collected. I missed out on a decent Mexican flag. We played in Mexico City and I didn't get a Mexico flag, and I'm very upset about it. Other than that, I think I've got flags from every country we've been to in the last
All
6
of them.
months. Yeah.
Do you know all the facts of the world?
I can't. No, I don't know.
What do you think you get out of like 1%?
We should play that
Did it
game.
test?
We should play that game. I reckon I'd get probably 40%.
Yeah. I used to, when I was like 7 years old, I was like an expert of facts of the world.
Oh, yeah.
I had
What about
this
capitals?
snap from my dad. I don't know, I'm alright, I'm not great.
It's not great.
I'm not going to brag about saying it.
There's people saying, I can see myself. There's people saying things.
The lighting is a bit
Brian Barnard is on his way to the show tonight. That's very nice. Someone doesn't like us very much.
What did they say?
Someone likes us a bit too much. Wow, I've never done this before. And whoever's phone this is, her mum is texting and saying, what was this? And it's a drawing. Anyway, someone noticed that I sneezed. Yeah, this is anyway. Who would win in a football tournament out of Mumford and Sons Beatenburg, Baaba and Maal in the very best?
I don't know.
Who would win in the football tournament?
I will.
You will.
I'm a sportless. I think they will win.
No ways.
We'd smash you.
No, we wouldn't win. I can assure you.
I know 100% that we would.
I'm alright. But the other guys, my bad. So wait, who's not? It's not.
We'd smash all. Yeah, definitely.
Who's your keeper?
Tom Fiddle is our best player, and our keeper is probably Whiff, who's our drum tech. Who played with
Oh,
us.
there's no. You can't have your text.
Oh, so it has to be musicians only. In which case Ted would go in goal.
Right.
Yeah, probably Ted would go in goal. I would love to do that.
Yeah,
Some of the best times I've ever had have been playing football tournaments. I know. Can I ask a question back to them? Can someone tell me what the score in the Spain-Turkey game was, please? What? Do I write it?
No.
Oh, what? I look at this.
Yeah.
Wow!
3-0.
Thank you very much, Arno, Adrian, Tim, Jacqueline. Fantastic. Right. Come on, Baaba. Charlotte Harvey, Si tu veux, is the most beautiful and haunting of tracks. Does it matter that I haven't got a clue what the lyrics are? A massive thank you to one and all for the CD. It's a mini album. Does it matter that Charlotte Harvey doesn't know what the lyrics are in Si tu veux?
Si tu veux is in French. You know, si
It's not
if you
just in
want-
French though, right?
No, not just in French, but what I'm singing in French is exactly what I'm singing in Fulani, my language, my native language. Si tu veux, it can talk about everything, like people coming together. Si tu veux, if you want, you can be together. If you don't want, you go your own way, I go my way. But if you want, you give me your hand. It's kind of a love song, you know.
Yeah.
Give me your hand and we all go together in the same line.
Nice. That's cool. Well, there you go. That's a decent answer. Bubba's the one with the real answers in this room.
What should we do now?
Can I ask you a question?
Okay, right.
That's for Mary. Okay. What advice would you give to a budding musician about getting into in the world of music?
What advice would you give to a budding musician about getting
Into succeeding in the world of music.
world of music?
I don't know. I guess even the question, the world of music. I guess